Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be talking about how to create and assign inventory items to a department and create items in bulk. As you can see, I already have items in some departments. But for this example, we will start from when the department is created. If you need to know how to create a department, please watch the video on how to create a department. Okay, so you have your department created. There are a couple of ways you can create items and add them into your department. You can use the item code option, which allows you to enter in info about a product and populate that info at a later time for that created item. Or you can enter in a single item along with all the needed data. And finally, you can create items in bulk, which allows you to add multiple items at once. Let's first get started with the item code option. On the left-hand menu, scroll down to the Item Code Catalog option and click on it. This will take you to the Item Code Catalog page. This feature is perfect for items you receive regularly and don't want to manually enter each time. In situations like this, you can create an item code that automatically fills in all the details for that item. Let's walk through an example so you can see how it works. Let's say you have 50 iPhone 17s you want to add to the system, and you don't want to enter each one individually. Start by clicking New Item Code on the right-hand side. Assign the item an item code. This code will be used to auto-populate all the information for the iPhone 17. You can use any combination of letters or numbers. For this example, we'll use 111 for the item code. Fill in the rest of the item details and add any notes. When you're finished, click Add to Catalog. Your item code is now saved. As you create more item codes, they will appear in the list below. Now let's head to a department to use the item code. We'll choose Department 5. At the top of the page, click Add Item. In the field that says Enter Item Code to auto-populate item, type in the code for the iPhone 17, select it from the list. And just like that, all of the information for the iPhone 17 is filled in automatically. You'll still need to enter the quantity of items you are wanting to create. If you have the serial numbers for all these devices, you can copy and paste all the serial numbers into the serial number field, which will create the number of items based on the amount of serial numbers in the serial number field. Or you can just enter in just a quantity of iPhone 17s you would like to create. Once everything looks good, click Add Item. And that's it! Your items are now added to the department without having to enter each one manually. This feature should help you enter items into the system faster and more accurately. The next option is to manually enter in the items you want to add to the department. Click on the department you want to add an item to. Click on Add Item up at the top. Fill in all the info about the item. In this example, you're not going to use the item code option as this is the usual way to enter in items into the system. In the serial number section, enter any amount of serial numbers you wish to track inside the system. If you don't have any serial numbers, you can just add the quantity of the items you want to create if you have multiple items. Once done, click on Add Item. Your item or items will now be added to the department. And there you have it. You now know how to create items and add them to your department. Hopefully this video helped you better understand how to create and add items to your department. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support or leave a comment in the comment section below. We look forward to hearing from you.